In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a template in Shopify 2.0. First things first, let's dive straight into managing your online store theme. This is where the appearance and layout of your storefront are set up, including any templates you may want to modify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel, and from there, you'll want to navigate directly to the online store section. Now that we're in the online store, the next place to visit is the themes area. This is where all the magic happens in terms of customizing how your store looks and feels to your customers. Within the theme section, locate and click on Customize. Doing this takes you to the theme editor. In the theme editor, look for the Templates section. This part is essential because it shows all the individual templates associated with your current theme. Templates here reference specific layouts and designs that apply to different parts of your website, like your homepage, product pages, and any collections you might have. Once you've reached the Templates area, you can see a list of all the templates currently being used or available for use within the theme. This is where you need to hover your cursor over one of the templates that you have previously created and wish to delete. When hovering over the template, some options will appear, including Delete. It might be a trash bin icon or a simple text link, so go ahead and click on that. A quick tip here: be sure you're selecting the template you really want to delete. Once removed, this action can't be undone easily, and you might lose the configuration or layout that the template held. If you're unsure, consider exporting or backing up the template before proceeding. Now, after you've clicked Delete, sometimes Shopify might prompt you with a warning or confirmation message just to double-check if you indeed want to erase this template from your theme library. Make sure to confirm this action to proceed with the deletion. Finally, remember the importance of clicking Save before leaving the theme editor. This step ensures that all the changes you just made are properly applied and retained within your Shopify store. Saving locks in all your updates and secures that the template you deleted is permanently removed from your theme's configuration. Keep in mind that neglecting to save might mean redoing all the steps, as unsaved changes in the editor might not be applied if you navigate away. So there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your theme configurations by deleting templates in Shopify 2.0. By following these steps carefully, you ensure your store looks exactly how you want it to without unnecessary clutter from unused templates. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.